Where I'm from waves going back and forth. I'm from Jamaica Ramsey. I'm from millions of ponytails and hair bows. I'm from crabs and shrimp. I'm from Hurricane Katrina, but wasn't actually in it. I'm from family get-togethers on holidays and birthdays. I'm from warm climate, really hot in the summer. This is where I'm from. Where I'm from a really bad sickness at the age of 7. Things got worse. It went from needles to machines and more machines, from tears and more tears in my eyes each day. The most of the scariest things was chemotherapy. All of the surgery was the most pain. That's where I'm from. I'm from times at the park and ice cream off the ice cream truck. Times with family a lot. Beach from seafood from time to time. I'm from Biloxi, Mississippi. I'm from yelling and screaming and stomping on the beach.